how to connect Shopify with Facebook and Instagram shop step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect your Facebook or Instagram shop to your Shopify to sell your products and grow your business. So let's get into it. So first of all, we'll simply go to shopify.com. Shopify.com is an online platform that allows you to create your own store and do dropshipping. So you can get started with Shopify for free using your email address or your Google account. Once you have your account on Shopify, you have your store, it gives you myshopify.com domain, and this is our main admin. So we sell different products on Shopify. We have a website, but we also want to connect our business that we have on Facebook to Shopify. So for that, you'll require a Shopify account and a Facebook business page. So for that, you can simply go to facebook.com and you're going to log in, and you must have a business page. You can see this is the business page that we have already created. So this is my business, and I actually want to connect this to my Shopify. On our facebook.com, we also have a Meta business suite. So we can open this up too to get our Facebook pixel. And on Shopify, we will have to actually add the Facebook app first. So we have opened up our business.facebook.com here. Okay, this is it. Now, I will go back to Shopify. Here, we're going to click on Add Apps, scroll down, click on Shopify App Store, and it will take us to the app store that Shopify has, and it has all of these different apps and softwares that we can integrate with Shopify. So here we have apps.shopify.com, and we can search for Facebook. Now keep in mind, Facebook page and Instagram business is going to be the same because Instagram is powered by Meta. Both of these are powered by Meta. So business.facebook.com gives you access to Instagram shop as well and to your Facebook. So you will just need to add your Meta business suite, your business account pixel to Shopify, and that will connect your Instagram and Facebook both. Here we have results for Facebook and Instagram. So this is the official app, Facebook and Instagram, and you have this Meta logo here. Bring your products to people on Facebook and Instagram. So we need to showcase our products that we have on Shopify to these social media platforms. Okay, so this is the app. Click on Add App. Then we have Add Sales Channel. So this works as a sales channel on Shopify. Click here. So here we have Start Selling on Facebook and Instagram. Start Setup. Now we also have the ads here, but first we need to connect these platforms. So you'll click here. Okay, Facebook account. Shopify uses your personal Facebook account to access your business accounts. So we need to connect the accounts. Click here. It will open up facebook.com. Click on Continue. Confirm account, allow, and now your Facebook will be connected to Shopify. There you go. The next step is going to be selecting your business asset. Connect the business you'd like to sell to your shop. You'll be able to manage how customers can access your shop later. So you can see here, because I have more than one pages, that is why I have to select a business asset from here. Now we have all of these different, pages that I have. If you do not have a page, you can actually create new. So for me, I'll be selecting this one and click on Connect. Okay, so this is the business profile that we have on Facebook. With Facebook, you can create one business account, and you can see we already have that. So we're going to click on Select and Connect. There you go. Now your business asset is connected. Manage Facebook and Instagram data sharing. Now it depends what your preference is. You want to go with the conservative, enhanced, or maximum. So I'll be going with the enhanced version, and then we're going to click on Save. So now our business asset has been connected to our Shopify. Moving on, we have to connect our pixel. Now, this is what I was talking about. We can connect it manually or with the new Meta official app that we are getting with, Shopify. We'll get the pixel here. So now you have to click on Connect. This is the pixel, and the data sharing will be added. The last step is going to be I agree to Facebook's seller's agreement. click on submit for review. So you actually now submit your connection, your Facebook, to Shopify. They'll just review it. If there's nothing wrong with it, then of course you'll get the permission. So I'm just going to click on submit for review, and now it will just take like a minute, you can see, and then our Facebook will be connected to Shopify. Once the review is done, your Facebook will be connected to your Instagram. Congrats, you're now selling on Facebook and Instagram. So we can now add the products. Click on add products and it will take you to your Shopify store. If you already have added the products, then you can skip this step. But for me, I'm going to quickly go ahead and add a product. So now we are selling on Facebook and Instagram as well using our Shopify. The process is super simple and you can just follow this tutorial and you'll be able to sell on Facebook and Instagram shops using Shopify. Let me actually quickly add this product here. So I'll just enter the title. Then we have our, so we have our description here. I'm going to add the media. After uploading the media, we can add a price here. So we can also do dropshipping on Shopify. We can also do dropshipping on Shopify really easily with this method. You can connect any kind of platform to Shopify. You can connect Amazon, AliExpress, and other dropshipping suppliers. So I have added the products. So I'm just going to click on save and my products will be added. Now we are selling on Facebook and Instagram as well using Shopify. So if I take you to settings now, you go to settings and we will simply go to the apps and sales channels here. You'll be able to see that now we will have Facebook and Instagram as a sales channel. So you can uninstall it anytime you want to, and you can access it as well. Click here and it will open up all of the different settings and the different details about your sales channel that you have connected, such as about the sales channel, customer information, what this sales channel can do in your store. We can view and sync discounts, view customers, view products, view Shopify admin, edit the orders, edit data. So you can do all of this using Shopify and Facebook and Instagram integration by Meta. This is a very useful integration, and this way now you can connect your business that you had on social media with your selling platform, and now you have a business that actually aligns and you have a brand on all of these platforms. So you can just install this Facebook and Instagram app by Meta on Shopify App Store and follow this tutorial to connect these shops and sell your products. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.